The Sierra hasn't exactly been bulletproof lately. Cylinder deactivation issues, quirky lifters, and transmission troubles have left many fans wondering if the glory days were behind them. Some even jumped ship, gravitating toward Ford's turbo tech, Ram's refinement, or Toyota's reliability. But GM isn't backing down. They've heard the criticism loud and clear. Now comes the response. Nearly $900 million in investment aimed squarely at reviving the V8 legacy in a way that's bold, modern, and undeniably GMC. That money is fueling next-gen engine development at high-tech Tonawanda facilities. This isn't a facelift for old hardware. It's a ground-up engineering reboot for real truck duty. And it arrives right on cue. As the current generation approaches its 7th birthday, the 2026 GMC Sierra isn't just getting a new engine, it's being redesigned from the grille to the tailgate, with fresh styling and smarter tech to match. Will it be worth the wait? Let's find out. A new breed of V8. The GMC Sierra's engines haven't exactly had a spotless record lately. From lifter failures to finicky cylinder deactivation and some transmission woes, frustration has crept in. GM knew the clock was ticking, and now they're finally answering the call with firepower. They are pumping $888 million into American engine plants, laying the groundwork for the next generation of clean sheet V8s. These aren't recycled blocks or warmed-over designs. We're talking all new internals, new machining processes, new metallurgy, and state-of-the-art powertrain control systems. And make no mistake, these engines will be all American, built in U.S. plants, not slapped together from imported components or Chinese source parts from SAIC Motors. This move puts GM on the offensive, reinforcing trust in domestic quality and proving that real truck power should be engineered, forged, and assembled here at home. Specs haven't been released yet, but this much is clear. The 2026 Sierra 1500 is getting an all-new V8 built for torque, durability, and real-world work. Design overhaul, outside and inside. Expect the 2026 Sierra to build on its bold, squared-off DNA, but with cleaner lines, reworked LED lighting, and a front fascia that turns up the aggression without losing its pro-grade personality. But looks are just the beginning. Underneath the sculpted sheet metal, engineers are refining the Sierra's suspension and steering feel, aiming for a more composed ride that doesn't sacrifice toughness. Upgraded driver assist systems, tow-friendly tech, and modernized chassis dynamics are all part of the plan. The 2026 Sierra doesn't stop at brawn. Inside, it's getting a smarter, more connected cabin. Leading the charge is Ultify, GM's new software with faster over-the-air updates, customizable features, and deep integration between all-in-truck systems. Expect familiar cab configurations to carry over, crew, double, and regular cabs, each tailored to either utility, family hauling, or fleet needs. Denali and Denali Ultimate are true luxury trucks, while the AT4X can take you anywhere. When does the new V8 arrive? GM's Tonawanda plant is at the center of it all, currently undergoing a massive transformation to support the rollout of the next-gen V8. But production isn't live yet. The line is still being tooled, engines are being fine-tuned, and specs are being locked in. That gives GM a bit of runway and a challenge. Development needs to stay laser-focused because competitors won't wait. Once the 2026 Sierra drops, it has to be ready to fight from day one. Ram already brought back the Hemi, and Ford is also gearing up to strike back, and there's no margin for error. One thing is sure, the redesigned 2026 Sierra with a new engine won't be cheap. With new tariffs, tech-packed upgrades, and the massive drivetrain rework, the sticker is heading north. Denali trims will push into six-figure territory, but the key will be affordability without compromise for SLT and elevation buyers. If GM nails the value proposition, if they deliver bulletproof V8 power at a reachable price, they could win back the trust they've lost.